Welcome to class on error spotting in a simple way, part 1. Prefer, senior, junior, superior, inferior. In these words, we should remove than and should write to. For example, I prefer coffee than tea. I prefer coffee to tea. We should remove than and should write to. Second one, furniture, luggage, scenery, baggage, sheep, information. In these words, we should remove yes. For example, the baggages are very heavy. That is wrong. So, the baggage is very heavy. That one is right. We should not use yes. Another example, the sceneries are enchanting. In this, we should remove IES. So, correct one is Y. We have to write Y. The scenery is enchanting. We have article A, an, and the. Here, I am going to say about the definite article the. We should use the before superlative degree, EST. For example, she is tallest girl in the class. Wrong one. So we should write she is the tallest girl in the class. Another example, we can use article the before musical instruments. I like to play the violin. And also use the the before ordinal numbers like the first, the second, etc. And before unique objects like the sun, the moon, the earth, etc. I hope the video was useful. Thank you.